My name is Shay Broadhead and it's my second year here now in Cavan Institute, and it's really helped me throughout my education and with really finding what I want to do for a career. And I'm from Leitrim and it's close enough for me so I can stay close to home. I still enjoy having the travel and being free. Well, in my first year I did Sustainable Energy and Construction Studies, and that was a level 5 course, and this year a level 6 in Renewable Engineering. Modules were maths, there was architectural drawing, there was CAD, there was thermal insulation, building technologies, and with that it's really helped me get my foot in the door in the career I really want to pursue. I particularly enjoyed doing CAD as it's helped me to, I even designed my own house and I made a model of that. So that's really helped me to also get my foot in the door. Well, my family's always been in the construction business from my father and my grandfather, and it's something that I've always been brought up, raised with and taught from a very young age, so it's always something I've really enjoyed. Chose a PLC course in Cavan Institute. I went to an open day in 5th year and then again a Leaving Cert to really solidify my decisions and what I wanted to do. And I met a lot of my lecturers and they've really helped me to choose what I wanted to do and finalise my decisions in my career. There's a mix of both, from actually laying block and roofing and designing models to also the theory side when it comes to doing your math and working out all your dimensions and your measurements for the building. I studied communications and I found it really helpful when it came to helping me for interviews. In my first year in Cavan Institute, I had my work experience and they really helped me to choose what I wanted to do, and with that they helped me to go into my second year, and with that I finalised what I wanted to do. And now 2 days a week I'm doing BER assessing with a company just outside of Cavan near my home, and I do it 2 days a week and it's been great. Really overall it's helped me get my foot in the door for my career. My next progression step from my level 6 course would be to continue working throughout, and then eventually I'll be going to college, hopefully in Dublin in TUD in that, and from this I'll have a degree in renewable technology. I found the guidance counsellors really helpful, and I contacted them before I started attending Cavan Institute, and they helped me to decide my modules and they showed me what I'll be doing throughout the year, so it really has helped me. I have lots of fond memories of my time in Cavan Institute, from meeting new friends overall from around the country, and that I would have never got to meet if I didn't go to Cavan Institute, and it's really helped me, and I've made contacts for my career. If I was to go back to myself when I was in secondary school, I'd tell myself to consider all my options overall and really just keep an open mind when it came to your third level education. I learned a lot of life skills, such as it's helped me to see the practicality of all the things I've been taught throughout secondary school as well. And if I could go back to myself even in secondary school and say to myself, things you're learning, you're actually going to start doing in the next 2 years and you're really going to enjoy it. There was a lot of advice I was given by my tutors and lecturers in Cavan Institute, and they helped me to see the career I wanted to go down and be your assessing. For that I needed a driver's license. So I took my time even during my breaks and I got myself a driver's license in about 6 months, and it really helped me to excel my career. I would definitely say that at least a lot of employers nowadays are looking for students to have a driver's license. It brings a lot more ease to picking employees. Having a driver's license is quite current and quite relevant to my current work placement, and it's really helped me to find what I enjoy, and it's kind of one of the key factors that you need. Cavan Institute offers a wide variety of resources for my course in particular, from tools and building material and all that's needed to help me with my practicals and show me what I will need for my career in the future. I did build a type of portfolio. I built my model. I helped design a house. I've helped my family even to design things that they've needed over time. I've shown them new forms of building methods, and I've taught it to people outside of Cavan Institute myself, and they've been shocked and they've loved the idea. Renewable energy, and within construction there's been a lot of need for it, of course, with, as we say, that we're never really going to run out of sun. We're harnessing our solar, and majority of Ireland's electricity through renewables comes from wind energy, and it's really helped bring Ireland along in when it comes to technology and helping with the power needs that we have. There's a wide variety of jobs in the sector, from going out onto a site and climbing up a roof to help someone install their solar panels, to being in the office and designing systems for people overall. I would highly recommend this course to Leaving Cert students, but also to people who want to get back into education, to anybody really. It can really help you get your foot in the door with the career you really want to choose. I can picture my first day in class just like it was yesterday. I remember walking in and not really being too sure where to go, meeting everybody on my first day, and there's people I never knew that lived near me, and I met them through my own class, and it was quite overwhelming at first, but it's really helped me overall.